Hello, good morning. Welcome to Kingston Public School. I am your computer teacher Bhavna Gupta. Today we will learn about computer accessibility. What is computer accessibility? It refers to the accessibility of computer for all regardless of their disability. When a combination of hardware and software, it enables a person with a disability or impairment to use a computer. It means computer accessibility has direct positive effect on people with disabilities. It is known as assistive technology. There are numerous types of impairment that impact the computer usage. These are cognitive impairment. In this impairment, head injury occur and learning disabilities. In this disability, dyslexia. What is dyslexia? In dyslexia, difficulty in reading, spelling, writing, memorizing and identifying the words. Then next is visual impairments. In this impairment, low vision, partial blindness and color blindness occur. Okay. Then hearing impairment. In this impairment, deafness या hard of hearing extra. Okay. Then common accessibility features include the text to speech, closed captioning and keyboard shortcuts. Okay. How to enable accessibility? Firstly, we click on the start button, then control panel, then ease of access, then accessibility option. So when we will click on accessibility option, the accessibility option window appear. In this window, firstly we will learn keyboard tabs. First, sticky keys. Sticky keys help the computer users with the physical disabilities. It is also used by the other as means to reduce the repetitive strain. It allows the user to press and release a modifier key such as Shift, Control, Alt or the Windows key and have it remain active until any other key is pressed. Means sticky key is a Microsoft Windows accessibility feature that causes modifier keys to remain active even after they were pressed and released, making it easier to use keyboard shortcut. The sticky keys features can help the alleviate some stress on your fingers by not having to press and hold keys to use shortcut key combinations. You only need to press, release a modifier keys like Control, Alt or Shift, then press the next key for the keyboard shortcut. For example, instead of having to press Control plus Alt plus Delete at the same time, you can press Control then Alt and then Delete to perform the same function. The sticky key features can be enabled or disabled through the accessibility option or ease of access in the Windows control panel. You can also press the Shift key 5 times to open the sticky key option. Okay, look this window. How to enable the sticky key? In the ease of access, we will click on keyboard, then click on. Okay, when we will click on, sticky key icon is appear in the system tray, in the status bar on the system. Okay, after having enabled the sticky key, you will now practice and see its effect. How to practice? Start notepad, then click start all programs, accessories and notepad, type some text and place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Then press the control key on your keyboard and after control key press letter A on your keyboard. Notice the entire text gets selected. This action is equivalent to pressing the control plus A simultaneously. Okay, and to disable the sticky key, I have already explained that uncheck sticky keys and then click on apply. Okay. Then what is filter key? Filter keys tells the keyboard to ignore brief or repeated keystrokes, making the typing easier for people with hand tremors. Okay, that may be caused by the slow or inaccurate finger movements. To to enable the filters key, check the use filter keys, click setting under the filter key and check ignore repeated keystroke. Click apply and then click on OK. When you will click on OK, the filter key icon appear on the system tray. Okay. This is system tray. Okay. You can also press and hold down the right shift key for 8 seconds to open the filter key. Okay. After having enabled filter key, you will now practice and see its effect. Firstly, start notepad and times up repeated characters. Notice that the repeated characters are ignored. Okay. So today we have learned about computer accessibility and sticky key and filter key. I have given some homework for you, so you will do in your note copy. Thank you.